So here I have a mixture of cake flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt, and all the measurements are given in the description box if you want to follow. And I'm just going to add this together. Now I'm going to add this softened butter. And so this is how the butter should look like, quite glazy here. Now add the eggs one at a time and beat for about 1 minute or so. Now the eggs are incorporated into the butter. Now I am going to mix the smashed bananas, the sour cream and vanilla together. I'm just going to mix this together. The bananas need not be smashed very fine and like a cream. Can have a little bit of lumps here and there. So now I'm going to add this one into the butter mixture. You need to mix in medium-high speed for about 60 to 90 seconds. So the batter will be grainy like this, and into this now I'm going to add the flour mixture. So you can add little by little to avoid lumps in the batter. So now you have to bring in more air into the batter. So while I do that, I'm going to preheat the oven to 165 degrees Celsius and then we'll bake it. And now I have two pans here. I've greased it lightly with some oil. And then I'm going to put parchment paper into it and then put the batter. Now the oven is hot. I'm just going to put the batter inside. So we've come to pluck some flowers. This is what we got. Kind of looks like weed. Say hi.
Hi.
Is that how you say? Look here and say hi. So tomorrow at 3 o'clock we're going to have the party. We finished making the smash cake, but I'm really not sure when I'm going to finish her main cake, the main birthday cake. So we're going to go home right now and start decorating to take some pictures for her smash cake. Nate was like 2 months or 3 months when the pandemic started, and so since she has not seen many people around, she's not really comfortable around people. So we thought we'll do the smash cake separately when nobody's there, and then tomorrow at 3 o'clock we'll be having the party. So hopefully it will be fun, and we're not having many people, we're just having few friends. Oops, that was scary. So there is the baby. She's a little cranky today. We're trying to cheer her up with flowers and everything, but she is not bothered. She's just cranky and sleepy. So we're going to go home and put her to sleep while we decorate the house, and then let's see.
Happy birthday!